Welcome to our channel, the channel that covers a lot of maintenance and a lot of repair and much more. We cover some RVs, trucks, cars, some engine rebuilds are coming up, and some front end stuff. And then we'll do anything else that looks interesting. We'll do some hunting videos we've done in the past, some travel videos. We've done a little bit for reloading, and hopefully we'll have some more of that. So if you think you'd be interested in some of the content that we put up, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, the notification button, and share this channel and this video, the videos ahead with your friends. So for now, let's move on to our next content.
I can just set this over here for now, right?
Yeah. Hey folks, welcome to J&J's Maintenance and More. Today we're going to do the number 3 spark or glow plug on this Duramax diesel. It's right back there. We're getting ready to pull the wire off of the glow plug right now. I don't know, the light's kind of shiny in there where we can't see it real good, but we'll get that light out of the way in a minute. First thing I want to do is I'll let you know that over here's the inner fender. We have to take that out to get to access this. And then we come in here and we take the wire off of the, right there, we get the wire off of the glow plug. It's an 8mm on this one here. They do make the same size in a 7mm. Just so y'all know, we had to PB blaster this so that it wouldn't break off. It was pretty rusty. So we've got that out. We're going to pull the what?
It broke the rest of that bolt off.
It broke off on the end. Well, that's all right. Can we get it broke the bolt off? We should have probably went in and out easy. The good thing is it broke off. This broke off right here. We already made sure we had another nut because when we did the other one, we had the same problem. So, but here's your wire. Here's your glow plug back here. It takes a let me get this light situated a little bit better. So right back here is, let me try to point at this a little bit better. Right there, where he's got the socket going in there, that's your glow plug right there, right here. So that's 10mm. He's going to go ahead and back that out. Hopefully it comes out nice and easy.
Yep.
That glow plug comes out. Right there's what it looks like. So what happened here was, backing this off, the wire that goes here for the glow plug, which is right here on the new one, it was rusty. We let it sit for forever with PB blaster on it, and it still didn't hold, or still didn't break it loose. It ended up breaking it off. So, but we got a new nut. Now this nut here is 7mm instead of 8. What we're going to do is get a little bit of anti-seize and put it here, run this in, and put the wire back on, and that glow plug is replaced. We're going to set this camera here for a minute because I'm not going to pause it. This will be too quick. Alright, so what we're doing, taking a little bit of this copper anti-seize, and we're just going to put a little bit right here so that it comes out nice and easy the next time. And whenever that we get ready to put this wire back on, we're going to put a little bit there too. Other one. Oh. Get it started.
Yep.
Alright, so the new glow plug's in place. We're going to put it on there and snug it up.
No, something like that.
Alright, so it's in place. All we're going to do now is we're going to slide that wire back on there. We slide the wire back on there and we'll tighten up that nut. It's like I said, with a little bit of anti-seize on it. We'll put this inner fender well back in place and it will be fixed. It was throwing a code, so if one of these goes bad, it will throw a code and tell you exactly what's wrong with your stuff. So, did you get that? Oh, you want? I need a little anti-seize.
I do. Well, how about I drop this? Mighty small.
Oop, there you go.
Thank you.
So anyways, the wire's going back on. I'm going to go find a 7mm socket so that we can snug that wiring back up, and then that'll be it. The fender well in and we'll be done.